Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today we will discuss the topic acceleration and tension. In second case, I hope you will give your attention to today's lecture. This topic is from chapter 3, which is situated on the page 64, 66 and 67. The topic is tension and acceleration, named as case 2. One body is moving horizontally, whereas the other body is moving vertically. Body A is moving vertically and body B is moving horizontally. Mass of body B is m2, so weight of body B is m2g, which is a force, and here also resultant force, which is also called normal force. In body B, mass of body B is m1, so its weight will be m1g. Because body A is moving downward, therefore its weight is greater than tension T. Consider two bodies A and B of masses m1 and m2 respectively attached to the ends of an inextensible string. Let the body A moves downward with an acceleration A. Since the string is inextensible, therefore body B also moves over the horizontal surface with the same acceleration A. As the pulley is frictionless, hence tension T will be the same throughout the string. Since body A moves downward, as previously I told you, therefore its weight m1g is greater than the tension T in the string. Therefore net force acting on body A is equal to m1g minus capital T. According to Newton's second law of motion, m1g minus capital T is a force. Therefore this force is equal to m1a, which is equation 1. The forces acting on body B are weight m2g acting downward, reaction which is known as normal reaction acting upward direction, and third force is tension capital T horizontally on the surface. As body B has no vertical motion, therefore m2g and normal force capital R will cancel each other, so we have only force tension T. So tension T is equal to m2a. Because tension is a force, so according to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to m2a. By adding these two equations 1 and 2, we have acceleration m1 by m1 plus m2 into g, and put the value of A in equation 2, we get the value of capital T, which is known as tension, is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Here we have two formulas for acceleration when one body is moving horizontally, whereas the other body is moving vertically. Students, I hope you will understand this topic. Please learn this topic by heart. Also, you have to write this topic on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of native. Allah Hafiz.